All right, this week's parallel project was creating an XML document, a DTD document, and representing some of the XML tag sets within the namespaces. For the first part of the criteria was creating an XML file, and within that, we've done that here, and we've created the file, which was merchandise, the product, and the product IDs, and added the tags as 10, 20, and 30. 20 for the journal, 30 for the sobriety calendar, and the first one was t-shirts, which was the first product. Then we had to create a DTD file, which we were able to regulate, just as they did in the book. Then we were to create them and put them together here. As you can see up here, we did the sample DTD. We're mixing it with the XML file right here. And then the third part was to create a CSS file, which is the styling of the file, and here is the file that I have separated right here. This is the merchandise.css. We've got the background color, we've got the display block, we've got the name formatted to have the background color as blue, the size of the background color is red, and the background color is yellow. And as you can see here, we have our Christ Saves t-shirt in large for $10, and in the yellow you can see it in white letters back here. It says black. Medium size, $10. It says black as well. Small is $10, and it says blue. And then the journal and the sobriety calendar are both blue right there. I've created all the files. I did it all inside of the VDI environment, and I'm glad that we didn't have to build on to prior weeks. So looks like everything has been completed here. I know that it asked us to do 10 items, but I didn't have 10 items. I had 3 items, and if we would have known that we needed 10 items at the beginning of this session 1, 2, 3, and 4, then we could have probably been building up to the 10 items. Don't remember ever recalling B10 items, and if so, I definitely did not follow that part. So, but we did have what we did recreate. We had a t-shirt, we had a journal, and we had a sobriety calculator. Hopefully everybody has a happy holiday Thanksgiving weekend. That was amazing, and we're looking forward to Christmas and the ending of this class. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.